Every single day, countless rubber bands vanish into landfills, silently contributing to a massive, often overlooked waste problem. This seemingly harmless office supply holds surprising secrets about resource consumption and a path towards genuine green living. Rubber bands originate from the milky sap of Hevea brasiliensis, commonly known as the rubber tree. These trees, primarily cultivated in Southeast Asian plantations, represent a crucial global agricultural industry. Harvesting latex involves carefully tapping the tree's bark, a process that requires significant manual labor and expertise. The collected latex then undergoes various chemical treatments to transform it into the elastic material we all recognize. Millions of these versatile bands are produced annually, facilitating countless tasks in offices, homes, and industries worldwide. However, this widespread utility often overshadows their environmental footprint, from production to eventual disposal. Consider the energy expended in cultivating, processing, manufacturing, and transporting these ubiquitous little loops. Understanding this hidden journey reveals why even small, everyday items demand our mindful attention and sustainable choices. Ignoring the life cycle of such common products means overlooking a critical opportunity for environmental improvement. It's time to rethink our relationship with these flexible fasteners and uncover their true ecological significance. Adopting green habits around rubber bands can spark a ripple effect, promoting broader sustainable living principles. The first and most straightforward sustainable habit is simple reuse, extending the life of every single rubber band. Instead of discarding them after one use, cultivate a habit of collecting them in a dedicated container or drawer. These saved bands are perfect for bundling loose papers, sealing opened food bags, or organizing unruly cables. Imagine the cumulative waste reduction when millions of people adopt this simple, mindful practice in their daily routines. But the true potential for rubber bands goes far beyond mere reuse. Their elasticity offers surprising repurposing possibilities. Yet, many overlook the incredible versatility these stretchy loops possess when given a second life. For instance, rubber bands can secure plants to stakes, prevent paint cans from spilling, or even create makeshift slingshots. Artists use them for tie-dye projects, while DIY enthusiasts employ them to hold objects during gluing or drying. They become temporary clamps for small repairs, offering a surprising grip that can save you from buying new tools. Consider transforming a collection of old bands into a unique woven mat or a durable, colorful ball for pets. The only limit to repurposing these resilient items is your own imagination and creative problem-solving skills. But what happens when a rubber band finally loses its snap or breaks beyond repair? This is where understanding proper disposal and potential recycling avenues becomes absolutely paramount for green living. While traditional curbside recycling rarely accepts individual rubber bands due to their small size and material composition, some specialized facilities and community programs do offer collection points for natural rubber products. Research local waste management guidelines or inquire at stationary stores for specific rubber recycling initiatives near you. Alternatively, consider composting natural rubber bands, as they are biodegradable, unlike their synthetic counterparts. However, ensure they are 100% natural rubber, as many commercial bands contain synthetic polymers that won't break down. A simple burn test can often reveal the difference. Natural rubber burns cleanly, it influences global resource management. For those truly committed, purchasing natural, biodegradable rubber bands from the outset significantly reduces environmental impact. Still, the impact extends beyond just how we handle individual bands. It influences global resource management. Every time you choose to reuse or responsibly dispose of a rubber band, you send a signal to manufacturers. This demand for sustainable practices encourages companies to innovate, developing greener products and production methods. It's a powerful, collective action, demonstrating that consumers value environmental stewardship and responsible manufacturing. Even the smallest shift in habit contributes to a larger movement, advocating for a more circular economy. Imagine a world where every single resource, no matter how small, is valued and utilized to its fullest potential. This is the power of conscious consumption, transforming everyday objects into symbols of a greener future. The journey of a rubber band from tree to desk and beyond reveals a microcosm of our planet's ecological challenges. Embracing these simple strategies empowers you to make a tangible difference, one stretchy loop at a time. Adopting these mindful rubber band habits creates a tangible reduction in landfill waste, lessening the burden on ecosystems. It conserves precious natural resources, as fewer new rubber trees need to be cultivated and processed annually. This shift directly translates to reduced energy consumption during manufacturing, lowering overall carbon emissions significantly. Minimizing demand for virgin materials helps protect biodiversity in regions where rubber trees are extensively farmed. Consider the positive economic impact, as communities benefit from more sustainable agricultural and industrial practices. These small, consistent actions foster a deeper connection to the products we use and their true environmental cost. They cultivate a mindset of resourcefulness and creativity, essential traits for navigating complex sustainability challenges. By consciously choosing to reuse and recycle, you become an active participant in building a circular economy. This model moves away from the traditional take-make-dispose linear system, embracing regeneration and waste elimination. Your individual choices collectively contribute to a powerful ripple effect, influencing broader societal environmental awareness. It demonstrates to friends, family, and colleagues that sustainable living is not just achievable, but also incredibly practical. Ultimately, embracing green habits with something as simple as a rubber band shapes a healthier, more resilient planet. This commitment ensures that future generations inherit a world rich in resources and thriving natural environments. Every reused rubber band becomes a small victory, a testament to conscious living and environmental responsibility. These seemingly minor adjustments are foundational steps towards achieving ambitious global sustainability goals for everyone. From mindful reuse to responsible disposal, your approach to a rubber band can illuminate a path towards greater sustainability. If you found this exploration fascinating, subscribe for more insights into everyday sustainable living and inspiring green habits. Join our community and let us know in the comments what other common items deserve a second look for eco-friendly potential.